best pooling tablets. Some tablets include stabilizers for longer-lasting effects. Others are perfect for quick results. Cost and effectiveness matter when selecting the right product. It's vital to pick reliable brands known for quality. This ensures peace of mind and a sparkly pool. By understanding your pool's requirements, you can select the best chlorine tablets. This guarantees a healthy swimming environment for you and your family.
With number Clorox Pool and Spa Extra Blue 3-inch chlorinating tablets. Dive into crystal clear waters with Clorox Pool and Spa Extra Blue 3-inch chlorinating tablets. These tablets kill bacteria, keeping your pool safe. Individually wrapped, they make handling easy and mess-free. Stops algae growth for a cleaner swimming experience. Enjoy peace of mind with every swim. Perfect for maintaining a refreshing pool all season long.
Advantages: enjoy clearer water with Clorox Pool and Spa Extra Blue tablets. These tablets kill bacteria effectively, ensuring a safe swimming experience. Protect your pool from algae growth, keeping it pristine. Individually wrapped for convenience and easy handling. Maintain your pool's health effortlessly with minimal fuss. With number Poolmate 5 pounds all-in-one swimming pool 3-inch. Discover the Poolmate 5 pounds all-in-one swimming pool 3-inch chlorinating tabs. Perfect for keeping your pool sparkling clean.
Made in the USA, these chlorine tablets ensure quality and safety.
Enjoy peace of mind with a hassle-free pool maintenance solution. Easy to use and effective for maintaining clear water. Ideal for pool owners seeking simplicity and reliability. Advantages: fresh, clean water awaits with Poolmate chlorinating tabs. These tablets ensure your pool stays hygienic and clear. Simple to use, they dissolve slowly, providing consistent chlorine levels. Made in the USA for quality assurance. Convenient all-in-one solution. No need for separate products. These tabs contain everything to keep your pool water safe. Saves time and effort in pool maintenance. Reliable protection from bacteria and algae. Keeps your swimming area healthy and inviting. Enjoy peace of mind with every swim. Maintain crystal clear water effortlessly. Easy storage and handling. Comes in a 5-pound container that's manageable. Perfect for regular use without hassle. Ideal for both residential and commercial pools. List number: Poolmate 4 pounds premium slow dissolving jumbo tabs. Enjoy crystal clear pool water with Poolmate 4 pounds premium slow dissolving jumbo tabs. These 3-inch chlorine tablets are perfect for maintaining clean water. Made in the USA, they promise quality and reliability. Slow dissolving formula ensures long-lasting effectiveness. Simplifies pool maintenance with ease and convenience. Keep your pool inviting and safe all season long. Advantages: long-lasting formula ensures your pool stays clean for weeks. American-made quality provides trusted performance and reliability. Easy-to-use design simplifies pool maintenance tasks. Slow dissolving tablets reduce the frequency of chlorine addition. Jumbo size offers greater coverage, saving time and effort. List number 4. Clorox Pool and Spa All-in-One Extra Blue Chlorinating Granules. Transform your pool care routine with Clorox Pool and Spa All-in-One Extra Blue Chlorinating Granules. It kills bacteria effectively, also stops algae growth. A 6-pound container ensures long-lasting use. Perfect for maintaining a clean, inviting pool. Enjoy crystal clear water with minimal effort. Advantages: eliminate harmful bacteria effortlessly with Clorox Pool and Spa granules. Easy to use formula stops algae growth effectively. Enjoy crystal clear pool water every day. Save time with fast dissolving granules. Keep your pool safe and inviting all season.